Okay, so you power the button on like this. You put the camera on here. Then for world coins, I like to have a blue background thing. So I turn on the underline. This is not fully necessary, but it gives the camera a better, somehow the color comes out a little bit better. So you kind of center it. Notice in the field of view, there's a reflection of this paper being reflected in this glass. This glass tank has a little piece of white paper on the bottom. So what it does is that when there's a shadow hitting, it goes out of field of view, so there's less stuff to crop out. With photography like this, you could actually remove the background quite easily. So what we do is we put the camera down like this. Then we halfway press this button. It turns green, and then you fully press the button, and that clicked. So you photographed it with one side, then you photograph the other side. Then you take the coin, you flip it over, and you photograph this thing. Hold down the halfway button, and then press it fully. So we had it focused. Next, for slabs, we take the thing off the field of projection, and we set the plus minus on the right side to 1.0. Because these are very bright objects, we don't want to do 1.3 or 1.7 on it. 1.7 is usually for like darker objects. But what I do is first I photographed two photos like this. I put on white gloves. And I photograph one side of it. Make sure the coin number tag always is in the picture, because later you're gonna use that for photo editing. Then I make sure I get the camera like this. I lean this part against this latch thing. I turn the camera so that so it's not too much reflection on the thing, and that it's a perfect line up. I do one side like this, then I turn it over like this, then I hold it like this, and you get the coin under the perfect light for the photograph, so that there's no over lighting from the whiteness. You're gonna be able to tell the difference when you take a lot of photographs. So then you take this guy, focus on this guy. So for slabs, you take 4 photos. The reason you take 4 photos is because slabbed coins, you need to have the camera stuff like this. Then after this, I connect this to the computer. The files gets transferred into a folder. Then when I crop them, I save them with the item number that's on the tag. So that's about it.